The Office of the Ohio Auditor late last week released its annual audit of Mahoning County's government, and for the most part, it was clean, except for one issue with the Treasurer's Office. First News anchor Stan Boney is live outside of the courthouse with details about the auditor's findings. Stan.
Well, the audit was conducted by the Auditor's Office of the state of Ohio, and it showed there was what the report described as, quote, material weaknesses in internal control reported at the financial statement level. The audit indicated that the problems were in the Treasurer's Office of Dan Yemma, who in letters to the Auditor's Office strongly objected to any findings being issued at all.
The auditor's report of Mahoning County's finances is 260 pages, but it's 10 pages near the front, which describes what the report called non-compliance and material weakness. The Office of Mahoning County Treasurer Dan Yemma is required to file daily and monthly reconciliation statements to the county auditor. The daily statements were made, but the auditor's report stated the monthly report was not always completed accurately, leading to delays. A chart shows how month-end reports for the last 7 months of 2021 were, in some cases, not completed for 5 months. The December report was delayed 2 months. The auditor's report stated the lack of accurate monthly reconciliations increases the risk of theft, fraud, and could lead to inaccurate reporting in the annual financial statements. But there was nothing illegal in the report, and Mahoning County's annual financial statement did balance. Dan Yemma wrote 3 letters to the state auditor defending his position, stating that allegations that forms were not completed timely were not accurate. Yemma stated the employee responsible for completing the reconciliation forms abruptly retired in July of 2021 at a time when second-half tax collection started, leaving Yemma to complete the forms himself. Yemma stated there was never an instance where the forms were not worked on in a conscientious and diligent manner. Yemma stated all reconciliations were complete by February of 2022 and, given the challenges faced, was a remarkable performance.
Well, the Mahoning County Treasurer's Office was not cited or penalized in any way. The audit was to make the treasurer aware that reconciliation reports need to be conducted in a timely manner. Now, I did talk today with Treasurer Dan Yemma. He says someone has been hired to prepare these reports, and others are also being trained, and he expects no further problems with this matter in the future. Live in Youngstown, Stan Boney, WKBN 27 First News.